Here's another algebra-related word problem, and this one is about age. First, let's start with the let statement. When there's more than one person in these questions, I tend to use the younger or the youngest one to be my variable, and then I can multiply or add to get the other ones. Then I like to use a table to organize my information. Jacob is n years old, and Michelle is 12 years older than Jacob, so that's n plus 12. And to get these ones, we just add 7 to their current ages. Now the key here is there are two ways to represent Michelle's age 7 years later. We can add 7 to her current age to get this, and we also know that Michelle is twice as old as Jacob in 7 years' time. So this times 2 will also equal to this. Now we just got to do the algebra and solve. So we know that Jacob is currently 5 years old. And since Michelle is n plus 12 years old, so then she's currently 17. Write your therefore statement. That's it. Like and follow for more. Till next time.
Now we're going to answer an age problem. The question is, Mark is 3 times as old as Carlo. 8 years from now, Mark will be twice as old as Carlo. How old is Carlo now? Now let's consider the present and the future. If this is Mark, this is Carlo. The age of present Mark, it puts an M because we don't know yet. And it's C for Carlo. In the future is 8 years from now, so M plus 8, C plus 8 for Carlo. Now, at this time, we could find what is the equation. So, in the present, Mark is 3 times as old as Carlo. So, Mark is equal 3 times as old as Carlo. In the future, Mark will be twice as old as Carlo. Age of Mark in the future, M plus 8, is equal to twice of age of Carlos, 3. 2 times C plus 8. This is 8, right? So now, if you know this, M is equal to 3C rather. So we could substitute the M to become 3C. So 3C plus 8 is equal to 2 times C plus 8. Now 3C plus 8 is equal to 2 times C, 2C, 2 times 8 is 16. Now minus both sides by 2C, cancel is equal to 16C plus 8. Now transpose, C is equal to 16 minus 8. Now C is equal to 8. Now the age of Carlo in the present is 8, and the age of Mark is 3 times as old as Carlo. So 8 times 3 is equal to 24. And the age of Carlo in the future plus 8 is 16, and age of Mark in the future plus 8 is 32. Now we all know in the future, twice as old of Carlo, the age of Mark. So twice of 16, 2 times 16 is 32. Now our answer has sense. So that's it. Guys, now we have another word problem, which is Tim is 6 years more than twice Mike's age. 2 years ago, Tim was 3 times as old as Mike. So how old was Tim 2 years ago? And now I made a table over here in order for us to understand it very carefully. So first is Mike and Tim age now and age 2 years ago. So first sentence, Tim is 6 years more than twice as Mike's age. So first we don't know what age of Mike, so we put X over here. Now Tim's age now is 6 years more than, so 6 plus more than 2 times of the age of Mike, so 2 and times. Now here, age 2 years ago, so from age from now, X minus 2, because 2 years ago, over here, 6 plus 2X minus 2. Okay, now let's focus now in second question. 2 years ago, Tim was 3 times as old as Mike. So now, we have 6 plus 2X minus 2 is equal 3 times as old as Mike. So 3 times the age of Mike. Now 6 minus 2, it is 4 plus 2x is equal 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 2 is 6, right? Now combine like terms. So 4 from negative become positive, 6 is equal 3x from positive become negative 2x. So become 10 is equal to 3x minus 2x is x. Now the question is, how old Tim 2 years ago? So we all know that age of Mike is 10, so we're gonna substitute here 6, 2 plus 10 because x 10 minus 2. So 6 plus 20 minus 2, 6 plus 20 minus 2 is equal to 24. So the age of Team 2 years ago, it is 24. And please answer this question.